Hi darling, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a minimalistic makeup look. I kept this look very natural looking so that you can wear this look to work or anytime you want to put together a quick makeup look. So first, start with tinted moisturizer. I'm using CoverFX's Luminous tinted moisturizer in medium. Now I'm adding some concealer to spots that are a bit darker. If you have an even skin tone, you can skip this step. The concealer I'm using is Sephora Collection's Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer in shade 12, also called Pecan Pie. And then the concealer brush I'm going to be using with this is Real Techniques Expert Concealer Brush. Next, we're going to be using a powder foundation. I'm using the Sephora Collection Matte Perfection Powder Foundation in shade 44, which is also called Neutral Almond. I'm using this Real Techniques powder brush to apply this. The reason I'm using a powder foundation as opposed to a liquid is so that it looks more natural, and powder tends to provide less coverage, so that's why I'm using this. For my eyes, I'm going to be using my favorite eyeshadow palette, which has beautiful rose gold colors. This is the Naked 3 palette from Urban Decay, and I'm going to be going in with the shade Mugshot. This is a dark gray brown color with a slight dash of pink. Shade is going to be Factory, which is a pinky brown that's definitely more on the brown side. finally, I'm going to be using Limit near the brow bone to highlight it, and it's like a dusty rose color. For mascara, I'm going to be using L'Oreal's Air Volume Mega Mascara, and this is the shade Blackest Black. It's also a washable mascara, so it's pretty lightweight and like natural looking. For my cheeks, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Cheek Heat, which is a gel cream blush, and I'm using the shade Rose Flush, which is also shade number 20, and it's basically like a pink color but on the darker side. It looks a little intense at first, but once you blend it out, it's really natural looking. Finish it off, I'm going to be using Estee Lauder's lipstick Pure Color Envy in the shade Dynamic. This is basically like a pink color.